My name is Mike Thomsen and I'm 49 years young. I've traveled all over the world, ridden more than 1 million kilometers on my motorcycle through 116 countries around the world. In the last 30 years, I've been everywhere on my motorcycle, riding through jungles, deserts, mountains, on-road, off-road, and everywhere in between. I've explored incredible destinations, off the beaten track, on 5 different continents, and I'm seeking to build a community of like-minded motorcycle riders to join me in these unique experiences, traveling through awesome destinations on motorcycles. I want to inspire you to come with me to one of these unlikely but stunning destinations. I'm currently organizing a motorcycle challenge called Around the World in 80 Days, and I invite you to join me on 8 amazing 10-day trips somewhere in the world to complete your own Around the World in 80-day challenge. I hope you'll join Motodreamer's community and follow along on the upcoming adventures.